A partnership is a legal arrangement where two or more people own a business together and share in the profits and losses. At its core, a partnership is about shared ownership and shared responsibility between business partners. You need at least two people to form a partnership, but there is no legal limit on the maximum number of partners. Partnerships are unique because they use pass-through taxation, meaning the business itself does not pay income tax on its profits. Unlike corporations, partnerships are easier to set up, but often leave partners personally liable for business debts and legal issues. The business files an information return with the IRS, but the individual partners report their share of income on their personal tax returns. Always document how decisions are made and what happens if a partner leaves. A clear agreement prevents future conflicts. Thanks for learning about partnerships. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more basics. Educational content, not financial advice.